Dear students, today we will solve the ninth numerical from chapter number 5, which the chapter number 5 is about work, energy and power. The question states that a box of mass 10 kg is pushed up along a ramp 15-meter long with a force of 80 Newton. If the box rises up a height of 5 meter, what is the efficiency of the system? Dear student, here is a it is a ramp and a mass is placed on it. A force pulls this mass in the upward direction, and let the amount of this force which is given here, it is 80 Newton, and the length of this ramp is equal to 15 meter, and the height of the ramp h is equal to 5 meters. We write the data here. Mass of the box m is equal to 10 kg, and length of the ramp L is equal to 15 meter. Height of the ramp h, that is equal to 5 meter, and the force which is pushing the box in the upward direction, this is equal to 80 Newton. We have to calculate the efficiency, and we know that the efficiency is equal to output divided by input. But if we want to calculate efficiency in percentage, then we will also have to multiply this with 100%. Now the efficiency will be in as percentage efficiency. Okay, now we calculate the input and the output. Input input is equal to the force multiplied by the length of the ramp. The force the force is 80 Newton, and the length of the ramp is 15 meter. Multiplying these two, we will get 1200. And input is also energy, its units are joule. Similarly, output will be equal to mgh. Mass is 10, the value of g is also 10, and the height is 5 meters. So it will be equal to 500 and joule. Now putting the value of input and output in the percentage efficiency formula, output is 500 joule divided by input, which is 1200, and multiplying it by 100%. So dividing these two, we will get approximately equal to 41.7%. This will be the percentage efficiency of this inclined plane on which moving a mass of 10 kg to a length of the ramp when length of the ramp is 15 meter to a height of 5 meter, its percentage efficiency will be 41.7%. For the revision, I repeat this question once again. Mass of this box is 10 kg, length of the ramp 15 meter, and height of the ramp is 5 meter. The force which is pulling the ramp upward, this is 80 Newton. We have to calculate the efficiency. The percentage efficiency is output over input multiplied by 100%. Input is equal to the force which is applied to pull this mass to the length of 15 meter. So input will be equal to F multiplied by L, which is equal to 1200 joule. On the other hand, output is equal to, if the box moves from here to downward, then the energy which it will release will be equal to its potential energy, that will be equal to mgh. So putting the values of m, g and h, we will get 500 and joule. So the percentage efficiency will can be calculated by dividing 500 with 1200 and multiplying by 100%. It will give us 41.7%. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next.